Hey yo, what's good guys? It's your boy Bafanel Notigo, Ufano Wazana Nyang, Mama Kumtaka Tumgana Lawyer. You are about to Tanko. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you have seen the thumbnail, you have seen the caption. I'm not alone today, and I have
Guevara 012.
Tem Osama.
You know, so if you remember the previous videos, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna put them on the screen. You'll see.
Yeah.
I went on the channel with Guevara 012 and he won. Ngozi and he won. You know what I'm saying. So this one is the final. If you have seen the title, so it's the final challenge. Who's going to finish his one chow within 3 minutes? You know what I'm saying. So if it's your first time here, please don't forget to like, let's make this video to 50 likes, and please subscribe. You know what I'm saying. So you stay start.
Yeah.
For 3 minutes.
Come through.
I'm just from Google to one.
Come
I'm
through.
sure shy away. Now I'm shy. That's more than no. Okay, in 3.
And thanks to you guys.
Yeah, now we. Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Can you 3 minutes?
Boom. Boom.
Water. Oh, I'm not mad. I sharp. Sharp. I'm going to do what I'm going to do.
One more. No, but come, baby. One more.
Two minutes left. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, man. How was you? Good deal. Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute 40 seconds. 1 minute 40 seconds. Good deal, man. Yeah. How, man? 1 minute 40 seconds. Fine. Ay. I'll shake this show. Yeah, because 3 minutes I got paid. Fine. Ukhonele mina kanti
Tamani umlomo kumkhulu.
60 seconds left. I'm fine.
Kade nokwenya.
Luna. 3 minutes I got paid. Mama said,
Mama. Calm down,
Luna. Calm down, man. Good deal there. 10, 9, good deal. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. 9 seconds, man.
Robot man.
Men's.
Ang Ruby.
It's only 2 minutes, Joe. Why, Joe?
Robot.
Concerned with why, man. Why you, Joe?
Fella, we fella again.
I see next this part, Joe. Yeah? I see next. I choose keep on. Why back shy? Why in? Don't try to skip it. Or more call me, eh?
Robot man.
Ropangan, Joe.
Like umlomo kumkhulu ngithala.
Wena ungayenza umlomo kube khulu.
Njani?
Mropa ngani? Ngoba mona bo mona mayi child. Sad.
phela video nje iphele masinya mona bo 5 minutes
Uta manje.
Dimantete ukudla mina nge 1 minute 40 seconds. Won't get 9 seconds ukuthi kube 10 minutes.
Ngirobile them. Sky sungakade go yena nasithena. Awubona? Ayisho.
Singayibuyisela umva khona
Yeah, babonile bazocomment uma.
bazocomment.
Yeah,
Sawona yini difference mara joke ukushayile still.
Yo, akuna difference. I-difference uyena into echaze athi umlomo wami mkhulu. Angazi why.
Angasazi no. Maye njo challenge yenye kube yini njo. Because le okay, lesiyenzile.
Ithi basitshele nema-commentini ukuthi enye kumele ube yini.
Oh yeah.
Ithi basitshele nema-commentini.
Yeah, ba comment that ukuthi yini next challenge ayo.
Cause hayi esiphahla ubonile uthi embosile. 3 byte umuntu bambonile ukuthi ulume kangaka. Kwakuthi 3 chain.
Man jo.
Ngwenziso. Ngwenziso.
Hayi.
Sada akudlalwa. Injwayelo mina. Lozeri trials mina.
Amara ina flow.
Ibila ngizwanga nene.
Batshela ukuthi kudayide nobani. Ma social media, Facebook, TikTok,
Follow. Nathi mina ngiyena ukuthi angina Facebook, angina TikTok. Flop. Mara longa follow them Nkosi ku Facebook ke Bratem ko YouTube Dlex ko TikTok ke Mandlebe like awufela nje wantala ngene bo ngithephe ululu
okay hey oh yeah ubani batshelo mara sekakhulumile zapha
Siyakazikhulumile zami.
follow mo
yeah hey and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Notification bell mo.
Click notification bell and like get this video to 50 likes cause hey tamwenze into joy khona kala temfana.
I want the biggest challenge.
I'm fun the big
Bring
challenge
it here.
too. But mina i-challenge engiphethe ya next yango September so nimele no September ngizoyibona ngo September le amanzi le. Ale ngo September na masimba.
Phela nokuyabanda mo.
Yeah. Ya ngo September yamanzi so hey Tango please subscribe and get this video to 50 likes.
Ululu yeah 50 at least guys.
Vela.
Thola tola ntsha rabalola ntsha ka bethanyana ntsha nara khona ntsha ke mariha ntsha ka roba fola le bethanyana ntsha ka bethanyana ntsha bethanyana ntsha